So it's the end of July and I bought some new lilies. So these are the lily bulbs. They're not going to flower this year. Now sometimes it says they will flower, but they don't tend to flower for me. So they are going to grow and you'll get some green growth, but then the green growth will disappear and then next summer you'll have a great display of lilies from early July. So I bought them now, so it's the end of July, but I won't get the flowers till next year. So I've got this tub planter I bought. I've had to put some holes in the bottom, so you don't want to plant it without any holes in the bottom, and it's really very straightforward. So it's a case of filling it up with some compost. I tend to plant my lilies quite deep, so I'm going to go about 1/3 of the way up, and then I'm simply going to put 4 into there. Okay, so if you look at the size of the pot, so there's 4 lilies in there, and then that's it. It's simply a case of covering them up. I'll leave them out so they'll stay outside all the time from now on. I've tried growing them in the ground, but I don't have much success. So all of my lilies are growing pots. So I'll simply cover it up, give it a bit of water now, but then it will stay outside and get some rain on it. You will get some green growth appear. I doubt it if you'll get any flowers, but maybe you will. I tend to not get the flowers until next summer.